Happy Tuesday. If you can grab your math from yesterday, we're going to go over question 4 and 5 on page 649, because that's what I asked you to do on your own together. And then page 654 was your Monday math challenge. So if you did your Monday math challenge, we'll check it over. If you didn't do the Monday math challenge, grab a pencil or something to write with, and you can fill it in when we go over it together. All right, so let's look at number 4 and 5 on page 649 first. Number 4 said, Carla has a book with 50 pages. She read 20 pages. How many pages does she have left to read? So I went ahead and I did my tens models. So I counted out 5 tens to make 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And it said that she read 20 pages. So I'm going to take 10, 20 of those away, and that left me with these 3 here, which was 10, 20, 30. So 50 minus 20 equals 30. So she has 30 pages left to read. Then number 5 said a store has 72 toy cars. It sells 10 cars. How many cars does the store have left? Now this time I decided to think and just use my tens place, and I would think just in my tens place, 7 and 1. So 7 minus 1 equals 6. I keep my ones place the same, which was a 2. So 72 minus 10 equals 62. So 10 less than 72 is 62. So there's 62 toy cars left to sell. All right, give yourself a thumbs up, a smiley face, a star, an A+, whatever you want on that if you got those right. And if you didn't, just check it over, okay, and see what you did where you made a mistake or what you got confused on. And if you need to, mom or dad can email me and I can help you with some other problems. Now let's grab the Monday math challenge. All right, it was understanding the vocabulary. So when we say tens and then when we say the 2-digit numbers, what does it all mean, right? So number 1 says subtract the tens shown by the model. So there were 6 tens altogether, and we took 3 tens away. So 6 tens minus 3 tens meant that there was 3 tens left. Subtract the tens shown by the model again. All right, so we start with 8 tens. This time we took 6 tens away, and that meant there was 2 tens left. So these first 2 were left. Okay, number 3, circle the addition problem that could help you solve 50 minus 30. Remember, you're looking for a problem where you're putting the numbers together, okay? So what could help you with 50 minus 30? So you're really thinking 30 plus what equals 50? So it's 30 plus 20 equals 50. That should have been the answer you selected. It was the third answer choice. This says solve 40 minus 20 using a number chart, and then circle the difference. So remember, we come here, we find our 40 first, and we had to count back 1, 2 places, which was 30, and then 20. So 20 is what you should have circled on that hundredths chart. Now this says, for number 5, use mental math to solve 70 minus 10. Okay, that's like we're gonna think 10 less than 70 or 7 minus 1. It's gonna be 6, and our ones digit stays the same. This time it's 0. So 70 minus 10, or 10 less than 70, is 60. Number 6 said solve 80 minus 50 using an open number line. Explain how you solved it using terms from the word list, like add, different, number chart, open number line, subtract. Well, I used an open number line because it told me to. So I just started counting by 10. So I had to extend my number line a little bit. So I went 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 on my number line, because 80 minus 50 equals 30. All right. And I know that. I subtract it and I count it backwards. So I started with my 80 and I did 50 hops, which is really 5 tens backwards. So I went 80, 1 hop, 2 hops, 3 hops, 4 hops, 5 hops, and I landed on 30 because those hops were 70, 60, 50, 40, 30. Okay, so hopefully you found a way that works best for you for solving these problems, and you're going to hop onto Pearson now. You're going to do the 11.7 videos in quick check, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye guys.